baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY. I'm going to be redoing a guest bedroom, and I'm going to be redoing it using items from the Dollar Tree, you guys. Yeah, I'm going to share with you how you can take the Dollar Tree items and make a guest bedroom look very nice. So this is the first part of my DIYs that I'll be doing. So let's get into the items that we'll be using for the first DIY. Alright everyone, we have these lovely chargers that I got from the Dollar Tree. In gold, we'll be using those. I will be using these mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And we have the gold beads here that I got also from the Dollar Tree. And we have these gems here, these gemstones, which I got from Dollarama, but you can also get them at Hobby Lobby, you guys. Hobby Lobby also has them. And we have our scissors, our E6000, and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we have our gold beads and our charger. We're just going to use the glue gun and glue the gold beads going all the way around the charger. Now I know you guys like chargers, those of you that like tablescapes. When I see chargers, I see wall decor. I don't see tablescape, I see wall decor. So that's what I'll be using them for. And now we're just going to add our mirror to the center of our decor using some E6000 and our glue gun. Then we'll be adding these beads all along the outside of our plates, and I'll be doing 2 of our plates like this design. Now for our other plate, we're going to be using the gold beads again, but I'll be putting them along the outside of our plate this time. Instead of the inside, we'll go around the outside. And now we're going to place our mirror in the center of our design. Next, we're going to put some of the gold beads going around the mirror. And then we're just going to add our stones going around the mirror also on the inside of the circle. And here's our finished design, you guys. And this is where I placed them in the guest bedroom, right above the bed. I think they look very nice. Our blinged gold chargers turned into wall decor, like I told you. People who love tablescapes see chargers for your table. When I see them, I see a nice wall decor for our home. I like how they look. Alright everyone, this is the first segment of our guest room makeover. I think it looks very nice. I like how they look up there. And I will be having more items to come to share with you guys. Remember, decorating on a budget? Yep, that's what we're doing here, you guys. So leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this chargers turned into wall decor idea, and also give me a thumbs up and press that like button. And if you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell also twice so you'll get notified of whenever I put up new videos with my DIY ideas that I like to share with you guys. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.